What's up guys? Check out this really cool mini drone for kids. This thing is so much fun to play with outside with your kids. They absolutely love it. It does have an easy control system here. This is the remote control. You have your joysticks right here to control the back and forth movement. You have an automatic takeoff button, which is nice, especially with your little ones. That way they can get the adventure of flying this for a little bit. You do have some adjustment buttons on this side with the arrows here. And you do have 2 trigger buttons, which is really fun. You can have this drone do flips and tricks. I love the design of this drone. It's just super colorful. My kids have so much fun playing with this outside. They love running around with this, and just being able to control this mini drone is just so much fun. It does come with 2 batteries. These last about 10 minutes a piece, which is really nice. So you get about 20-25 minutes of playtime in total. And these things probably take about an hour and a half, 2 hours to charge back up fully. It does come with some extra propeller pieces and a little mini screwdriver as well. So overall, this kid's drone is really simple and easy to use. The controls on it are very simple form as well. I love that takeoff button. It just makes it a pleasurable experience, especially for the little ones, to be able to have a little more interaction with this drone and be able to control the up and down movements with it. So if you're looking for a fun way to entertain your kids, this mini drone might be a great option for you. Thanks for watching.